It is a day to do some lawnmower maintenance. This is a mulching lawnmower, and there's a couple of kind of overdue maintenance items on it. One is that this sticker is coming off, and I would like to stick it down before it peels the rest of the way off. I'm going to attempt to stick it down with some E6000. There we go. I'm going to clean off the top of the lawnmower, which seems a little silly, but that looks amazing. This isn't actually solid, this is a flexible cover. So I bet if you take the screws off, the motor is under there. These bolts had basically stripped the handle and the nut inside had stripped apart, and so you couldn't keep them tight, and so I replaced two of those. I replaced the two at the bottom, so that is the one thing that I've replaced and maintained on this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and clean this off, and then I'm going to get at the mower blade, which is the real maintenance task for today. Putting this on there to hold tension on it while the glue dries. Now that we've done some cleaning and some sticking, we have two actual business end maintenance items to work on. And before we turn the lawnmower over, we verify that the energy source is disconnected. Lawnmower blade is pretty chewed up. I don't know that I've ever sharpened it, which is terrible. The other thing is, those holes shouldn't be there, so I'm gonna see about at least semi-taping over them. So the blade does have a securing device that's attached, that's secured to the shaft. That's This spacer looks like it's in good shape. And that's the base of the mower itself. You can see I don't know if you can see the windings through that hole. That's the motor itself. And then, so the fan, the fan basically just blows air up in through these holes, up through the motor. Keep it cool. The upper part of that is cleaned off pretty well. That's down to rubber. That's down to sort of the plastic. And I'll just do the same underneath there, and then I'll stick some duct tape on it. See if that will hold. If it won't, that's fine. I'll just use something else. I'm guessing these 3 bolts are the actual motor mounting bolts. So this is the body of the motor itself, and then this ring is the mower body. That's down to basically the plastic. That's down to the plastic. I'll just put some duct tape through here and we'll see if it stays. The motor fan. There we go. Probably cleaner than it's been in 18 years anyway. For blade sharpening and balancing kit. Here's the grinding attachment. Now interestingly, I don't think the outer part is balanced, but the inner part, the ground part is. Here's the freshly ground edge. Here's the unground edge. The balancing jig is useful. It sits, I would say, pretty level, so I think I'm gonna put it back on the way it is, and we'll see how it acts the next time. And so, the lawnmower is commissioned. There's no grass to mow at the moment. Yep. I just took the mower out to do some mowing to test the blade. It went really reasonably well. The sharpener attachment for the drill was a little fiddly to use, but it definitely made a difference. I tried coating the inside of the mower with WD-40 so that the grass wouldn't stick. It might have helped a little, can't be sure yet. I hope you enjoyed that video. This was my noodling around project over Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone is getting vaccinated from COVID. Once you are, I hope you get to do some traveling and to visit some people and get back into more normal life. I hope everyone has a lovely summer and a lovely year. I hope you get to noodle around with maintenance and catch up on things and sharpening things and replace filters and never stop figuring stuff out.